day one of building my fishing brand. Since I don't have funding and I realize I've been spending a lot on learning how to do e-commerce, I have to get a job. I've been looking on Craigslist for work, and one of these jobs is like a sports betting marketer or whatever. Pay like $500 a week. It's just like perfect for me because I can use the money to invest in my e-commerce, my fishing brand, and I can work on my fishing brand on the side. That being said, let's call them. So, called them, didn't pick up. Next one, there's a school, I think, or after school program called The Ranch. This is what it looks like. The Ranch. It's in Tiburon. Yes, I can teach kids how to fish.
Hello, you've reached The Ranch. Good afternoon, The Ranch. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is Jeremiah Wynn. Sorry, I'm trying to gather my thoughts so I can explain this. Create a program that helps people learn how to fish. Like either helps kids learn how to fish and lets parents just have a picnic at the park while their kids are outside, just learning about nature. I don't know how to go about this, but I don't know if that's something I can do with you guys.
So we're the recreation department for Belvedere and Tiburon. We have site where the information on how to propose a program with us is located. Do you want me to give you that information?
Yes, let me get something to write it down.
Talk through the proposal and set the parameters for what the program be, like pricing, location, all that good stuff. Okay. All right. Thank you for calling.
Have a great day. Holy crap. I'm way too excited for something that isn't even a reality yet, but that'd be really cool if I can teach how to fish, work on my fishing program brand on the side, and help people get into. That'd just be freaking awesome. But I have to make a living off of it somehow, you know? Okay, I'm gonna do that. That being said, while I'm doing that, I'm also gonna look for other jobs, etc. Because I gotta make money, you know? Alright, so this is gonna be my last video for tonight. But I basically did my product research. And I am going to start trying to design a fishing shirt, because since 2024 fishing shirts have been growing, and if I look at these other brands like this, like in the last 7 days they made like $2 million and they're selling fishing apparel. I'm gonna try to find a way to create my own fishing apparel, reach out to suppliers overseas, but also try to make the design my own, create my own logo. And lastly, I'm gonna edit some content, even though it's like 11 o'clock at night and I'm super tired. I'm gonna edit some content, try to continue being active, because I think that's how you build an audience. And I'm gonna really be trying to grow my Instagram channel called Catch Haven, and I think I'm gonna start transferring all my fishing videos to my new YouTube channel called Catch Haven, and record me building my brand and just my life on Life of Jer, my YouTube.